welcome back everybody. It's November 17th. It's been 11 weeks. As we can see, this is cleared out very well. There's been no additives to this. This is just straight time. And the next step now will be to add a little bit more agave nectar into our bottles and carbonate this. Alright guys, let's pop this open. No hiss, that's a good sign. Let's toss that in our sanitization system. Again, we're using Star San. So let's get ourselves a sample. Alright, so right off the bat, this is very aromatic. I can smell a little bit of the mint, a little bit of something that's reminiscent of tequila. There's definitely alcohol. I can smell that. So I'm just going to do a little spin, try to get it off the glass. So it looks like we have a gravity reading of 1.002. So this has dropped down a little bit from our notes. There's still a little bit of residual sugar, but that's fine. We're going to carbonate this anyways, so let's get going on to that as well. So I calculate we need about 25 grams of agave nectar to prime our drink. Let's turn this off. Alright, and now we're going to rack this off and then get to bottling. Alright guys, we're going to just siphon this off, get a little pressure built up. So we have our bottle siphoning wand on there. So the bottle wand has a little bit of a stopper on it, and that allows us to just fill and stop the siphon whenever we want. Allows you to just keep going, so you don't have to keep pumping it and creating a siphon. You just hold the same siphon, hold the same suction, and it just keeps flowing. And then all you got to do is just keep an eye on the bottles, and you're good to go. Makes for pretty consistent flows. So this is just rocking, you know. And so since we've added a little bit of sugar in here, it's gonna kind of kickstart the yeast a little bit and kind of have a secondary fermentation start. And that secondary fermentation is going to kind of create a little bit of CO2 for us, and that's going to create our carbonation. That carbonation is going to add a little bit of mouthfeel, and it's going to kind of kick up the alcohol percentage just a hair. So, you know, we'll calculate there somewhere probably like around here or up there, you know, somewhere around there. There'll be a little note on how much alcohol there is.
Oh, this is nice. A little bit of like carbonation. This is gonna be wicked good. Awesome. So cool, guys. Enjoy.